Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the smart lock so circuitry won't short. Remove batteries and unlink from the app. Once done, take a clear photo of the lock face, latch orientation, and any wiring. This prevents reassembly errors. Now, position your ladder or step stool safely and keep a small Phillips, flathead, hex keys, and a thin pry tool within reach. Make sure screws are accessible and the door is secured open before you remove the first fastener. Next, you remove the interior mounting plate screws while stabilizing the exterior assembly, because exterior parts can drop once detached. Once the plate is loose, gently pull the interior cover away and feed any control wires through the door hole. If the unit uses a quick disconnect, depress the clip. Then remove the deadbolt tailpiece or cylinder from the exterior side. You may need to rotate the thumb turns slightly to align. Keep each screw and spacer. To finish, lift off the motorized interior unit and set it on a soft surface. Inspect gears, battery contacts, and the latch mechanism for wear. Clean the mounting surface, and if the strike plate is misaligned, replace or reposition it so the bolt operates smoothly. Test the door manually several times to confirm free movement. If things jam or the motor won't disengage, tap the assembly gently, verify alignment, and if that fails, use the manufacturer's mechanical override or contact support for a guided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.